So we just talk about role-based security some time back. Every user in your organization or every employee in your organization will have some job function, some job role. So when I am adding a user or an employee into my CRM system, I need to assign him a set of privileges so that he or she can perform their job. That is known as role-based security. Or so at the core of role-based security, we have security roles, and every security role includes two things. One is privileges, and the second one is access level. And now, what is a privilege? What is a access level? That's what we are going to explain. So some of the examples of security roles are like CEO, sales manager, sales representative, etc. A security role again cannot do anything itself. Same like your business unit. It cannot do anything. We have to create users, then we have to assign perform operation. So as a system admin, CRM system admin, you can create new security role, you can manage, you can edit existing security role, etc. So when you are creating security roles, we can create it from scratch, or we can just copy one security role and then just map the data. What I mean by that is you can just clone existing security role as well. We'll see that. So what are the operation you can perform on security roles? You can add new security roles. You can clone existing security roles, new one. You can manage or delete security roles. You can assign security role to different users or teams. So let's talk about privileges or permission. So basically in CRM system, we got 8 privileges. Just note it down. This is not going to change. So this is predefined. 8 privileges we have, like create, read, update, delete, append to, share, and assign. So apart from append and append to, you will be familiar with all this, right? Very obvious. So these are the 8 privileges that you have. That mean what a user can perform operation on a record. You can create, delete, update, all that, share, assign. And append to, definitely it will be something new to some of you. If I need to link a contact record to an account record, I need these 2 privileges. So I need append privilege on account, and then I need append to privilege on contact record. If I need to add a note to an account record, I need the same thing. Funda is very simple. If you need to link 2 records together, there need to be a relationship already built between these 2 entities at the entity level. Then if I need to perform that, so I'll give you a very simple example of that. If I just go to one record in CRM system, maybe an account record, I'll just navigate to an account record, and here I can see some subgrids. So this is a contact subgrid. So by default, I am a system admin in this organization, so I can perform anything, any stupidity I can do. There is no issue. But if I'm working on a client CRM account, I'll not get access to all of this. Maybe I'll not have the permission to add a contact record to this account. So there is a relationship between account and contact entity. That's why I can show the subgrid of contact on the account form. That's the reality. But if I should be restricted to add contact record on account. Now you can have the plus button over here. So why it is possible? Because on this particular account and contact record, I have the append privilege on account, and then I do have the append to privilege on contact. So if someone is not giving me the append to privilege on contact, then I'll not get this button. System will disable this button. So where to configure all this? That's what we are going to see. So these are the 8 privileges we have. And what you're seeing here on the right hand side is a security role, which will have these tabs will be there. Under the sales tab, we have the entity details, sales entity detail as rows. And on the column, we have the different privileges like create, read, update, etc. And we have some bubbles over here, and each of this bubble indicate what operation or a permission this particular security role has on this particular entity. So if I just look at invoice over here, invoice and delete. So it indicates something. Each of this bubble indicates something. So we'll explain that. Privilege means what operation a user or a security role can perform on a set of record in your CRM system. And then we also need to understand access levels. So basically we got 5 access level. Access level means in which level or what level in your organizational hierarchy a user or a user with a particular security role can perform operation. So we have 5 levels: none, user level, business unit level, parent-child business unit level, and organization level. The combination of your access level and a combination of your privileges indicate what operation a particular user can perform on a single record at what level in the organization.